All right, y'all. So they upgraded our room. So let's go in. Look at this. This is the difference between the trendy garden room, and they said they upgraded us to an ocean view. So here's the bathroom. Got sliding doors this time. Got those his and her sinks. Got your shower. It's yellow this time instead of purple. And got your toilets in its own separate room. Got your TV, the bed, and I think that's the shutter, just like the other room. Let's open it. There we go. See what we got. Holy shit. That is all I. Oh, we got a jacuzzi out here too? Oh man. Wow. Got your little table. Oh, you right in the middle of the hotel on the top floor. Absolutely insane. Wow. You can see everything from here. You can see all the pool festivities. You got the beach view, ocean. Wow. Yeah, if you guys book the Temptation Resort, I highly recommend you book the ocean view. It's totally worth it. Goodness gracious.